Hello everybody, we will do the Rubik's Cube. So we start Blender. It will be a quick tutorial normally, so not so long. We can start with the cube. I will rename the cube to Rubik's Cube. And after, when the cube is there, you can press the point to zoom a little bit. We change the unit with the scene, with the units, we change to centimeters, okay, and after you press tab, you have all the vertices selected. We do a bevel on that, just click here a little bit outside, and you can see the properties below. We will do 2 and 2 for the segments. This is perfect. After, we will add some material, so press tab to exit the edit mode, and we choose a black, but not a pure black, so we rename that to black. After, we will change that to 050505 3 times, and after, we will change the roughness to 0.35. okay, if you check now, you will see that is a black. We have some reflection and it seems like plastic. It's perfect. Go back here. We select the face. So I go to the edit mode. I select the face here. And there we duplicate this face. So I press Shift D, Enter, and I move with the G to just check it's a good copy. After I press 1, I press here the wireframe to see, and I move to the X to not glue at the cube, but just to move a little bit. Okay. After, we need to add a material on that, so we press plus, new material, and we will add a green. And I have already some value for the green, so I will just copy the value that I have here. So it's not a pure green. And for the roughness, I put 0.35. So this is perfect. And after, I put a sign. We exit from the cube, we check, and it's perfect. Okay. So now what we do, we go again to the cube, I select the face, I put a scale on that, so S 0.98, enter, and I will do a bevel again. Okay, and I go to the vertices, we change that to 2, for example, and we can put 2 segments. Okay, I press tab, and it's perfect. After, I click here, I select the face, and we will duplicate the face with the spin tool. So I go to the spin, I press here and move a little bit. So we do 270. Why? It's 360. But we don't need one face, so I put 250, not for the step, sorry, for the step it's 3, and 270 for the angle, so it's 360 minus 90, because we don't need a face. I use duplicate, and it's okay. I press outside, and we can check what we have here. And it's perfect. Okay. I do the same for the top. So I select the face here. I put Y. And I press here. We just need 1. And I put 19 for the angle. And I put use duplicate. Okay. After I repeat the same operation for below, so I press here, I put below like this, so it's 90, as you can see. I use duplicate and it's perfect. We exit here and we check if everything is fine. Okay. What I will do offline is just to add the other colors. So I will save my file also and I will add the color and I'll come back just after. Okay, I'm back. I just add the color. So you see the green is there, the white, the yellow, the red, the orange, and the blue. I will give the value in the video also. And after every material has a roughness of 0.35. So there is a little bit of plastic material. Okay, this is perfect. So now we will assign that to the face. So I go to the edit mode. I select the face on the top. I will assign that to the white. I select on the left, I put yellow. I select the other to the reds, below to the orange, and the last one to the blue. Okay. Okay, and we can exit. Okay, you see every face has a color. So now what we do, we go to the modifier, we add the modifier, and we add the array. I don't want that in the X, so I put 0 and I put Y 1 with a little bit space, subtle, just a little bit, you see, that is not collapse too much. Okay, we add another modifier, the same, the array. This is perfect. So we add in the offset and I put 0 exactly like we have on the top. And we add a last array here. As you can see, it's here and it's not on the offset. X, it will be on the Z. Sorry, I was searching. So 1.01. Okay, and this is perfect. I exit here and we have the Rubik's Cube. So this is perfectly fine. So with the array we can do that. So we have just finished the Rubik's Cube. Of course you can choose a good light, also see a little bit the materials to make a little bit dirty, but we just do the modeling here and you can see how we proceed. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and we will see for another tutorial. Thank you, see you, bye.